Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI.
If you're in need of a lot of sheets, like a lot of them at one time, then check out the Utopia bedding store flat sheets. It comes in a pack of 6. Now, the fitted sheets are sold separately, so just make sure you pay attention to that. But these flat sheets are super awesome when you are in need of a large quantity to be able to restock for any sort of projects. I personally use these to restock a rental house, and so therefore we need to have a lot of sheets on hand. The material itself is smooth and lightweight. We use these sheets every single week and we wash them after every usage, and they have been able to hold up, which is extremely appreciated. The shape and the quality after each wash, they are machine washable, and they have been tumble dry friendly. We haven't found any issues with any of these things. They are very easy to care for sheets.
When you need sheets that are dependable and reliable, and maybe if you're like me, you need a lot of them, you're going to want to check these out. And that's my point of view.